Y'all, stop being scammed by these fake credit repair gurus. If you're serious about fixing your credit, you need to know these red flags. We got 60 seconds, so let's jump into it. So I was scrolling on TikTok and I seen some shit that absolutely blew my mind. So number one, if they say they can remove a negative account in less than 24 hours, run. The only way you can do something like this is to claim identity theft, which involves getting a police report and telling the federal government. If you do this and you're not a victim of ID theft, you might as well walk your own ass into jail yourself. Number two, if every secret or hack they tell you about costs you money, red flag. Even the people in the middle of the mall let you try this shit for free. Credit repair is about education, not hacks. Number three, if they are not bonded and registered, motherfucker, join the track team and run because they about to scam you. In Texas, you have to be insured, so if you mess somebody's credit up, they're not all the way up. If you just want to waste your money, you might as well give Bubba up the street the money to fix your credit because what's the difference? Number four, the last and the biggest red flag. If they name a Lonnie and they not dropping 60 seconds of knowledge on a regular,